الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your home. So this is me, Azim, from The Educators Forum class, and today is Tuesday, 2nd of August, and this video is for class 3 SST. Okay, so in this video we will start our unit number 6, goods and services. Many people live in Pakistan, some live in villages, some live in cities. The people who live in villages earn money by fishing or by farming, and the people who live in cities earn their money by different jobs. They job in factories, they job in hospitals, schools, etc. They do job to earn some money. They provide us with some goods and services. Goods are the things that can be sold, used, and brought. So, for example, when we go to a market, we buy something, we buy some good, and the shopkeeper that gives us that thing they provide us service. So, what are services? Services are the work that people do for others. For example, these services includes cleaning, shopkeeping, and there are so many jobs that people do for us. They all are their services, and the things that we bought, we sold, that the things that can be seen and touched are the goods. So there are some examples of goods that we bought from the market are fish, meat, books, oil, etc. These all are the things that can be seen and touched. So these all are in the goods. And what are services? Services are the work that people do for others. For example, there are so many people who work in hospitals. They provide a service to us. There are so many people who work in banks and in schools. They teach you. They provide you a service. And in markets, as a shopkeeper. So these all are the services. Okay, so for goods and services, communication is the main part. And what is communication? Communication means to pass a news or some information to others. For example, right now you are listening to me, I am communicating to you, I am passing an information to you. So this is what communication. There are so many ways to communicate with each other. For example, as you all know, there are emails, there are SMS messages, there are emails, messages, radio, television. They all provide us some news, some provide us information, and magazines, etc. There are so many ways to communicate with each other. There are some of them: emails, messages, radio, television, magazines, etc. And mobile phone is also a main part of communication, main object for communication. Okay, so take out your books, page number 36, unit number 6, goods and services. So many people live in Pakistan who live in small towns and villages earn a living by farming or fishing. Others who live in larger towns and cities do many different kinds of jobs in factories, shops, hospitals, schools or offices. So what is farming? Farming is a job that people do in different fields or grow crops. Or what is fishing? Fishing means to catch fish and to sell it in the market to earn money. Now, what are goods? As I told you in my video, that goods are objects that can be sold, bought and used. Goods are the object that can be sold, bought and used. They can be made, grown, fished, or dug up from the earth. They are actual objects that can be seen and touched. So, in this paragraph, we have learned that what are goods? Goods are the thing that can be sold and used. Goods, some goods can be grown. For example, we grow some crops in the field, then we sell it in the market. Fished, we catch fishes from the sea and sell it in the market to earn money, or dug up from the earth. There are some objects that are found underground. For example, coal and some minerals, steel, iron, they all are found underground. So we dug up it from the earth and then sell it into the market. They are actual objects that can be seen and touched. We can see and touch the goods. Now, goods may include things such as rice, film, oil, books, cars, films, clothes, and machinery. Goods also include these all things. These all things can be seen and touched. Now, what are services? So, now fish, goods to be sold. Fish is a good that can be sold into the market to earn money. Bus drivers provide a service to us. They are not goods. Bus drivers provide a service to the people. They work for the people, so this is a service. Now, a shopkeeper is also a service because they work for us. They earn money by working, not by selling something. What are services? Services are work done by people for others. These include things such as teaching. Teaching is a job. People do teaching to earn money and to teach you. Nursing, it's also a job. They provide service to us. Building, cleaning, repairing, and serving in banks, shops, and restaurants. These all are the services. Services are also sold. Okay, so you have also seen so many services at your home. For example, you came to school and you teach us. It's a service. When your fridge or any electrical appliance is out of order, you called a mechanic. So the mechanic provide you a service. Or Food Panda, you call and they will provide you some food. It's also a service. So these all are the things that provide us services. Okay, so here is a fact. The meals that you order in a restaurant are goods. The waiter who serves you is providing you with a service. So the meal that you order is a good. You order something, you bought something, and the waiter who provides you the meal is a service. Now, communication. Communication means to pass on news or information to others. Your teacher speaks to you and you listen. You are communicating with each other. There are many ways we can do this, such as letters and emails. We can communicate using letters, emails, using phones for speaking and texting, social media such as Facebook and Twitter, radio and television, newspapers and magazines. These all are the ways through which we can communicate with each other. We can pass some news or information to others. Okay, so inshallah we will read this chapter in our next class. Today's homework for you is that these 3-4 questions. You have to do these in your copy. Question number 1, what are goods? So goods are services. Goods are the things that can be sold, bought and used. What are services? Services are the work that people do for you. What is meant by communication? Communication means to pass on news or information to others, and write down the different ways of communication. There are so many ways, as I told you in my video, that by emails, by letters, by message, by all these things. So do these questions in your copy. Okay, so copy maintenance. First of all, you will make the title page of unit number 6, goods and services. After, on the next page, draw a second margin line, write down date, chapter, and VL means video lesson. Make the header question answers. Write question number 1, what are goods? Underline the question, write the answer. You can find the answer from my video or from the book as well. Question number 2, what are services? Question number 3, what is mean by communication? And question number 4, write down different ways of communication. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood and enjoyed this video. We will meet in our next video class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.